Thank you for tuning in to Magikarp Mafia. Hey guys, Toby from Magikarp Mafia. Today we got a Gundam booster pack. So hopefully we hit something good, maybe a Wing Zero. So we got Diva, Hammerhead, Hyzak, Alexandria, Gallows Grays, Ladoos, Dominion, Giants Gundam, or Custom, Gundam Heavy Arms, which is, by the way, a dope Gundam. GXS, and a Kushiki. Then our resource card. So, honestly, I do like this card. This mobile suit is pretty awesome. I've never seen this Gundam before, so thanks for watching. Always remember to like, comment, follow, subscribe, all the above, and make sure you always remember to be kind and rewind, or else the Magikarp will get you.